Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to Mike's Automotive. Hola, bienvenidos a mi canal, Mike's Automotive. Здравствуйте, как дела? Добро пожаловать на мой канал, my ключи автомобильный. So today, you guys, were working on a BMW. This is a Fem. Okay, the system is Fem. So we're gonna take off the Fem, the ECU, but first we gotta disconnect the battery. So primero vamos a desconectar la batería, luego vamos a sacar el módulo del Fem y la computadora del carro. So as you guys can see, here is our Fem, you guys. It's located on the passenger side, to the right side. Aquí pueden ver nuestro Fem, está localizado al lado del pasajero. Ahora lo vamos a quitar. Now we're gonna end up retrieving the secret data from the Fem. We're gonna unlock the Fem. We're gonna get it ready, okay, so that we can learn the keys on the vehicle. So vamos a quitar el Fem, vamos a agarrar los datos secretos y desbloquear el Fem para poder programar las llaves al carro. Alright, you guys, so here's our ECU. We're going to take it off and we're going to EEPROM that as well to read the ISN. Okay, so we can go ahead and update our vehicle information. So como pueden ver, aquí está la computadora del carro. Vamos a hacerle EEPROM para recibir el número ISN que está localizado. Okay, now you guys, we made a little incision right here where we're going to go ahead and solder on our wire. Aquí, como pueden ver, hice una cortadura pequeña para poder poner nuestro alambre, okay, de EEPROM. Alright, you guys, so you guys can see it's a pretty clean cut. I did it with my little Dremel. You guys, here are the as you guys can see, here's the blueprints, okay. Here's the diagram. Aquí está el diagramo. Está diciéndolo dónde vamos a cortar. It tells us where to cut it. Alright, it tells us where we need to put what wire, okay, to the plug. Aquí lo dice cuál plug tenemos que conectarla. Va a ser esta. Vamos a seguir todo el del diagramo, conectar nuestro alambre, ok, soldar nuestro alambre, conectarlo a la ploga. Vamos a usar nuestro VVDI. We're going to use our VVDI, you guys. Ok, our VVDI Prog. Y como pueden ver, aquí tenemos nuestro cable con soldadura que pusimos. As we solder on our wire, okay, to our ECU to retrieve our ISN. You guys can see our diagrams right here. It's telling us the third one. Okay, como pueden ver, aquí está nuestro diagrama. Nos está diciendo cuál ploga tenemos que injertar nuestro alambrado. So we're going to go do our wiring, you guys. We're going to set everything up. Our wires, okay, from our VVDI that are going to help us read the ISN number. We're going to set that all up. Okay, vamos a conectar el alambrado al diagrama y como dice exactamente para poder agarrar nuestro número que ocupamos. Now the cutting part is a little bit really difficult because you kind of have to aim to where that chip is at and where you need to find that soldering point, like you guys can see right here, okay. Es el punto poquito más difícil, hacer la cortadura para agarrar ese punto de soldadura que se ocupa hacer en la computadora, okay. Y es la parte más difícil, pues todo lo demás es fácil, pero sí esa es la parte más difícil de ahí. Alright, guys, so we have everything wired up. We already have it connected to our VVDI. We're gonna go ahead and read our ISN number. And I'm gonna show you guys how we do that with our VVDI. Le voy a enseñar cómo agarramos nuestro número ISN con el VVDI. Es bien fácil. Nomás asegúrense que todo está conectado bien. Ahí como pueden ver, este es por VVDI. And it's already reading our data. Ya está leyendo nuestros datos. And right there in the bottom is going to tell us the ISN number with all that info that's coming up. Ok, como pueden ver abajo hay numeraciones ahí que está cambiando. Ahí nos va a decir nuestro número del ISN y lo vamos a usar para configurar nuestro sistema del carro y poder aprender las llaves por OBD. So you guys, we're getting our ISN number so we can go ahead and update our Fem, because when you don't have any keys, when we retrieve our secret data from the Fem and unlock it, it erases the ISN number, so we have to retrieve it here from the ECU. 3 ECU for brand BMW. Chip type, there's our chip type, and then we chose the chassis type, which is F for Fem F series. Okay, there's our ISN, you guys. Ahí está nuestro número ISN, and we're done, you guys. Operation success. So you guys, on the Autohex, when you're doing this, it's more easier, you guys, if you guys have a key. Okay, because if you guys have a key, it can make the file and learn new keys. Okay, with that existing key, and you can just attach a coil to the Fem, and just go ahead and program keys right there, or add an existing key, whatever you need to do right there. But if you don't have any keys, you guys, it's when it's unblocking the Fem and it's retrieving the secret data. Okay, it's gonna go ahead and wipe out the ISN. So that's why we're retrieving the ISN from the ECU, so we can go ahead and update our Fem information with our correct ISN, and we can go ahead and learn new keys on the vehicle, since we already have unlocked our Fem and retrieve our secret data that we need to learn new keys. Okay, so we're already done with that. We're just saving our information, okay, from our ECU onto our computer, just in case we need it later on to modify anything else, okay, rewrite anything else. There we have our info for our vehicle. So como pueden ver, cuando te metes por el Autohex, en el lado que no tienes llaves, vas a tener que desbloquear el Fem. El Fem se va a desbloquear, se va a recibir los datos secretos, pero cuando haces eso y no tienes llaves, se borra también el ISN. Ok, porque hace datos nuevos. Ya tenemos que recibir nuestro ISN de nuestra computadora. Ok, modificar el ISN cuando está todo en el vehículo listo. Y escribimos nuestro ISN, que es correcto. Y ya puedes aprender las llaves porque el Fem ya está desbloqueado. So you guys, we're using our Autohex right now, you guys, to unlock this Fem and retrieve the secret data. We have our little clip that we're going to clip onto our chip that we need to clip on. Okay, we have our diagram here as well. The Autohex is really user friendly, so it'll tell you exactly where you need to find your little chip, where you need to connect and everything. All right, you guys. So como pueden ver, aquí estamos usando el Autohex y aquí te dice todo el diagrama, qué tienes que conectar, dónde vas a conectar qué, y no te puedes perder. Sigue todas las instrucciones y conecta todo bien, todo el alambrado bien. So we're going to go to on-bench fem/BDC unlock. You guys can see on our diagram the chip that we need to clip onto. Really easy. All right, guys, we're going to go ahead and retrieve circuit data. We're going to press 1. Okay, we want to unlock Fem. That's what we want to do. And we're going to press on 3. Since we don't have any keys, you guys, and there's no keys at all, we're going to click on 3. And then it's going to go ahead and make the file, okay, unlock the Fem and retrieve the secret data, and we're able to go on the vehicle and learn the keys via OBD. Now the objective here is retrieving our secret data and unlocking our Fem so that we're able to learn keys with our Autohex on the vehicle. Okay, so we already retrieved the ISN. Right now we're unlocking our Fem and we are retrieving our secret data. Now, like I mentioned, it's gonna wipe out the ISN, so when we get on the vehicle, we need to go ahead using our Autohex and update our ISN number. So como pueden ver, lo metimos usando nuestro Autohex. Elegimos la opción para agarrar los datos secretos. Ya de allí fuimos a número 1, que es para desbloquear el Fem. Y ahorita está desbloqueando el Fem, está agarrando los datos secretos y está también borrando el número del ISN. So, acuérdate que al rato que terminemos todo esto, vamos a poner todo para atrás. Vamos a modificar el número del ISN por OBD usando nuestro Autohex. Y vamos a poder aprender las llaves por OBD también usando nuestro Autohex. Ok, so ahorita ya estamos listos para terminar. Vamos a guardar los datos. We're going to save our data, you guys. And then we're ready to go on the vehicle and learn our keys OBD. Okay, you guys. All right, guys, so we're going to hook everything back onto the vehicle, the Fem, the ECU, make sure everything's connected right. We're going to plug in our battery. We're going to go to DME CAS ISN Manager, and we're going to update, okay, our ISN to the one that we retrieved from our ECU. And we're going to click the check mark. So vamos a ir a manejador de ISN, vamos a modificar el ISN y aceptar. Y luego vamos a ir a programar la llave. Vamos a abrir los datos secretos que lo va a pedir ahorita para programar las llaves, y vamos a programar las llaves. All right, guys, so we're going to go to key learning, and we're going to go ahead and open our file that we saved from our Fem, our secret data, and we're going to do the key learning process Really easy, you guys. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys hit like, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to join our members club if you guys want priority commenting and be entered for a giveaway, okay, every month. Thank you guys. Till next time. Hasta la próxima. Los vemos. Que se cuiden.